Right now I'm here with my team. We're on our way to the river where we're gonna do our first time white water rafting. So we've never experienced this in our life, and we're doing this here in Perak. So what can you say? What do you expect? What's that, honey?
My expectation is so high.
Yeah.
To have fun today.
Yeah. Here with Gerald, anything? Something to experience in life. So we'll see you guys down there. Alright guys, we've got our flotation devices right now. So we're all suited up and we are with our paddles right now. I'm with my team. Check out guys, we're also excited. Come see guys. Can't wait. This is our first time, man, guys. This is something extreme. Let's do this. Come on, cool. Okay guys, we're going to our vessel. Our vessel is right at the end down there. So I'm going to hop over this board float down here. So we will do our first rapid, but we were told that we're going to do first our practical training. Understand first what to do, what to expect before we go and challenge the rivers of Malaysia, guys. So I'm really excited, guys. A little bit scared, but some experience to have in life, guys. Let's go give it a try. Alright guys, this is what we're up against for our first rapid here in Perak, Ulu Slim River. So look at the rapid, guys. It looks crazy. They classify it into 5 levels, so this is level 3. So it's somewhere in the middle, so it's quite dangerous, I'd say. It's quite challenging, but that's where the thrill is. So have a look, guys. Look at that. That thing will devour us alive. We just collided, guys, with another boat. We just left us. Let's go! Forward! Let's gain speed! That was good. Alright guys, we've just encountered this rapid here. This is the second rapid. What we've experienced here was very technical, guys. It was very technical. So when they told us move forward, move back, on right, on left, there was so many movements that we had to cooperate as a team, guys. So right now, as you're seeing there, one guy just got swept away. So you really have to hold tight, guys, and you have to really work as a team. Okay guys, that was really a challenge, guys, here in Ulu Slim River. So we've already overcome the rapid 1, the rapid 2. Now this is the rapid 3, guys, one of the most challenging rapids here in Ulu Slim River. It's called the broken nose, guys. One reason is because as we go down this river, the boat or the vessel that we are on in, it's gonna flip into half. It's gonna bend into half from its front, from the tip of the boat. And that's where you get the name broken nose, guys, where the boat bends over like that. So most of us will be thrown forward, guys. So this is what to expect when you're coming for the rapid 3. It's one of the insane, I would say, craziest experience you'll get out of the Ulu Slim River, guys. So I'm gonna give you guys an experience out of this. We're gonna be the first to go down. Let's overcome this, guys. Woo!
I can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me. In bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Set up feet. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. So put your I knew better. Keep falling for your innocence, acting like you're into me. I know this is hopeless, moving in slow motion, trying to control my thoughts, but I can't stop at this is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, back up and get me home. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, back up and get me. So put your hand in mine, follow me, let me waste your time. Say we do some stupid shit, take a seat, let me waste your time. Say we
Just float, don't stand up. You'll get the free massage. Protect the bum. Woohoo! Woohoo! A bum massage. That's how it's done, guys. I think the trip's over. Looks like this is the final stop. So this is an amazing trip. I really enjoyed the trip, man. Definitely I'll do that. I'll be back for a more challenging one. Oh, I will.
Alright guys, that's the end of this trip. It was a real amazing trip, guys. Special thanks to Chili Rafters, guys, for giving this opportunity. It was really an amazing trip, guys. And was that for those who are curious on how to do this trip, you can check them out on Instagram. It's called Chili Rafters, guys.
Contact them and they'll let you know
the pricing and everything. It's a must-do, guys. Once in a lifetime experience, guys. I really had a good time with my team. It's my first time doing this. To be honest, my first impression of doing white water rafting here in Ulu Slim River was a really good experience, especially the third rapid where you drop from that. Looks like a one story, if I'm not mistaken. It was really an impact, but a good experience. If you are not working as a team, guys, your boat will capsize. I'm telling you guys, it will capsize. So the tips I can give you if you guys are doing this for first timers, all work as a team, guys. If they say left, all of you go left on the spot, right on the right. Okay, guys? Anyways, for those who are new to my channel, please guys don't forget to subscribe, like, and also leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this travel. Anyways, see you again. Farell Salvador signing off.
Bad news, my drone got wet, guys.
So I'm really sorry, guys. I cannot give you guys some drone shots. It's really disappointing, guys.